Hello everyone, I hope you are well. In this lesson, we are going to talk about HTML formatting. And now, first I'm going to copy some text from Google and lorem ipsum and just type. Often you write lorem ipsum. It's not often, not a problem, and we are going to open my browser. I've written something here, and this is my paragraph. Just I'm going to copy same things in our paragraph. And formatting means then you can modify, redesign something in your HTML coding. And first of all, you see here bool test and how you can make bool test, and lots of example here. I'll show you one by one. And you think that in paragraph you want to make a bold, just B, okay. I want to make this paragraph as a bold, then save this what is already has been marked as a bold. And if you want to underline, or then you can write, I want to use this underline U, and same thing Z, then save this underline. And you want to, if you think that you want to mark this as italic, then write less than I, less than 1, okay. Then copy, cut, copy, save, and already this is italic. Three format we have already showed you that, and lots of format in here. And another formatting is strong. How you can make it strong? Strong, that means it is like a bold. Strong is like a bold, but I'll show you that and how to strong. Write strong, save. There is the strong. You have to write G. Then save. It's a strong like a paragraph. And a space, strong. And another one, and italic EM, emphasize text. What is this? Let's check it out. Emphasize EM. Just write EM. Emphasize. Just save. Emphasize EM. When you want to emphasize like this font, like this style, if you want to write this style, then you can follow this one. Next one, and del, deleted text, and a small, this is the small font. And check it out here. This is a small font. When you check small font. And next one, deleted and del. And do you think that you will write del, deleted, save. It has a deleted. Next one, and inserted text. Write inserted, inserted, save. This is the inserted text. And next one, subscript text, and right here, sub. This is the subtext, and next one, this is the superscript text. How to write superscript text? Then you can follow this one. so far SUV, and write so far skipped text. Save this one. So you can format your content like this with this text, and you can follow this one by one. If you want to know more, and then you can check my video description, or you can check my website, and where you will find lots of things. This is my website name. My website address is, you will find all the checks, all the types of formatting, all kind of formatting in HTML. So thank you so much, and see you on next video.